So obviously you get a spray bottle, put some water in it. You can get water from, work, some bathroom, gas station bathroom, whatever, wherever you can get some water, and fill up the bottle, right? And put some detergent that you might use to wash clothes. Obviously put it in there, shake it up, and then you can start spraying down your clothes. And this is a way you can essentially freshen up or do your own form of dry cleaning, as it were. It's a way to make it where you can wear, especially if you wear uniforms and stuff like that. And it's a way of washing your clothes without having to use a washer, because the process is relatively similar, especially if you don't do much physical activity. You don't get dirty, grease, and all that stuff. Then, especially if you just spend most of your time sitting on your ass at work, then something like this would be nice and simple. And this is a good way of saving money on water. If you have a water source, you do the back, obviously you flip it over, do the front, and just let it air dry. Try to get the inside of the neck, get all the way down. I already wet the front already. I just going through it one more time. You get the idea. So that's the way you can, obviously clean up, wash up your clothes. Good way of freshening up, especially if even if let's say you wash your clothes and maybe you just want to freshen up a little bit more. You definitely want it to have a what's it called, a laundry smell, like fresh out of laundry type smell. Then that's something you can do. Another idea I had was after doing that, right, use an iron and an iron board, and then iron out the shirt, and that's a way you can dry off the the soapy, the laundry water off of the clothing, and that where it'd be dry, and you can put it on. So it's a one way you can obviously do some quick home dry cleaning essentially, and be able to get something nice and clean real quick when you really need it. Plus, there's another way of just saving money on anything, laundry. And I have more tips coming soon.